Hello viewers, welcome to Notes Hunting. In this video, I am going to explain a topic from the subject Engineering Chemistry. Its subject code is CY8151. The first unit in this subject is Water and its treatment. The topic I am going to explain now is reverse osmosis. Here we are viewing the instrument used for the reverse osmosis process. Before discussing this process, we have to know what desalination is. The process of removing common salt from water is called desalination. It can be done by different methods such as electrodialysis, distillation, reverse osmosis and so on. Normally, we can classify the water into three types based on the presence of dissolved solids in it. They are fresh water, brackish water and seawater. Fresh water contains dissolved solids less than 1000 parts per million, that is ppm. Brackish water contains dissolved solids in the range between 1000 ppm and 35,000 ppm, whereas seawater contains dissolved solids more than 35,000 ppm. To convert the sea and brackish water into fresh water, reverse osmosis process is used. Initially, we will see what osmosis is. Let us consider that we are separating two different concentrated solutions with the help of a membrane. Under normal pressure, the solvent, it may be water also, it flows from lower concentration side to higher concentration side. This process is called osmosis, and the driving force in this phenomenon is called osmotic pressure. Reverse osmosis is quite opposite to osmosis process. If we are applying an excess and opposite hydrostatic pressure on the higher concentration side, the solvent starts flowing towards lower concentration side. This process is called reverse osmosis. Here, pure water and saline water are taken in this instrument, which are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. Excess pressure is applied with the help of a piston in the side of saline water in the direction opposite to osmosis. Now, the solvents in the saline water flow towards pure water, leaving the salt there itself. It prevents the salt migration. This method is called superfiltration. The membrane used for separation is made up of cellulose acetate, cellulose butyrate, polymethacrylate and so on. Some of the advantages of reverse osmosis are the lifespan of the membrane used in this process lasts for 2 to 3 years. Ionic, non-ionic and colloidal silica impurities can be removed using this method. For this process, operational procedure is simple and capital cost is quite low. Replacing the membrane takes few minutes so that it assures uninterrupted water supply. We can also remove protein and sugar by using this process. The disadvantages of reverse osmosis process are the membrane needs periodical cleaning and the water should be pre-treated to remove bacteria present in it. Due to the scarcity of fresh water and the increase of salinity in the groundwater, we can use reverse osmosis process to convert saline and seawater into fresh water. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel that this video is useful for you, then please give a like and subscribe our channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notifications about our channel uploads. If you need any video regarding the topics from the subjects environmental science and engineering, engineering chemistry and computer science and engineering, please do comment us. Thank you. Bye.